Hey, I'm Hillary Kozma, founder of Kozma Curl, and today you're going to be learning step-by-step how to style your natural curls at home using the Kozma Curl method. Today we have the very beautiful Riola to help show you guys how to style curly hair. She's going to demonstrate for you as I walk you through step-by-step.
Hey guys, I'm Riola and I'm not a professional stylist. If I can do this, you can too. I can't wait to show you guys.
The goal of this video is to teach you a simple styling routine that you can use again and again to help you achieve results that you love. The Kozma Curl method is a complete system of working with curly hair that guarantees beautifully hydrated and defined curls. Partnering this method with our curl-friendly products will take your curls to the next level every time. Wash day is here. Your curls need a good cleanse, hydration, and styling. Before hopping in the shower, let's have a look at what tools and products you'll need. Let's get prepping. So to start, here are the items that we highly recommend. A detangling brush, a wide tooth comb, sectioning clips, Kozma Curl microfiber towel. It's super soft and very absorbent to remove excess water. A styling product of choice. For this video, we chose our best-selling product, the Kozma Curl Defining Gel, which is silicone-free. Choosing products that are silicone-free is very important for curly hair. We will dive into why that is later on in the video. Kozma Curl Diffuser, Kozma Curl Volume Clips, Kozma Curl Gentle Shampoo, which is sulfate-free and very gentle, Kozma Curl Conditioner, also silicone-free, provides slip to detangle and provides a good amount of moisture, a spray bottle full of fresh, clean water, a bowl for your gel. For fun, you might also want to add a playlist and a beverage of choice. We are coffee lovers at Kozma Curl, so a nice hot mug and some upbeat tunes like Bob Marley complements wash day perfectly. Step 1. Shampoo with a gentle pH balanced cleanser that is sulfate free, like our favorite Kozma Curl Gentle Shampoo. Sulfates can strip out moisture, and a lack of moisture equals frizz with curly hair, so it's important to make sure that whatever shampoo you use, you are using a curly-friendly sulfate-free shampoo. It's important to maintain scalp health and cleanse the scalp regularly. Failing to cleanse away product, sweat, and pollution from the scalp can lead to buildup, irritation, and hair loss over time. We do not advise avoiding shampoo. In fact, we are shampoo advocates. We find 1 to 2 cleanses per week optimal for most curl types. We do not recommend that you ever leave any conditioner on the scalp. All product must be thoroughly rinsed. Begin by thoroughly soaking the hair and scalp with water. A generous amount of Kozma Curl Gentle Cleanser should be applied to the scalp area and massaged into the scalp using gentle but firm circular motions. You should be thorough in your routine to ensure all areas of the scalp are cleansed. Our gentle shampoo doesn't contain the harsh ingredient sodium lauryl sulfate, otherwise known as SLS. That means it won't strip away natural oils or deplete moisture reserves within the hair shaft. Because of our shampoo's ultra gentle nature, you might not experience a heavy dew lather, but the great thing is, this shampoo will still lather, but only if enough water is used. So keep applying plenty of water while working the shampoo in. Once the scalp has been thoroughly cleansed, you can repeat the process if necessary. You might find you need to repeat more than once, especially if you have any kind of buildup on the hair or have extended time between wash days. Rinse the shampoo thoroughly. Top tip: for porous or dehydrated curls, we recommend doing a pre-poo by applying conditioner to the mid-ends of the hair shaft before applying the shampoo to the scalp. The conditioner will protect the ends of the hair that don't need to be cleansed and moisturize the thirstiest parts of the hair. Now we move on to the hydration and detangling of your curls. Kozma Curl Cream Conditioner was formulated for all curly hair types. This silicone-free conditioner is light and hydrating and helps to detangle. Infused with ingredients your curls will love, such as macadamia seed oil and barberry fig. The amount of product you use should reflect the amount of hair you're working with. Higher density or longer hair will require more product. Lower density or shorter hair will require less product. While keeping the hair thoroughly wet, apply a generous amount of the Kozma Curl Cream Conditioner to the mid-length and ends, massaging into the hair as you go. Once the mid-length to ends are generously covered, you can start by sectioning the curls to begin detangling. Start at the bottom of the section. Gently tease out the knots and tangles, working your way up to the root area. Repeat throughout the head until all tangles and knots are released. Remember to be very careful and gentle when you detangle, as hair is more prone to breakage when wet. For more delicate curl types such as super curly and super tight, we recommend finger combing. It's okay to get conditioner on or near the roots, but avoid applying conditioner directly onto the scalp. Remember, shampoo is for the scalp, conditioner is for the hair. Your curls should feel fully saturated with conditioner and should have a slick, slimy, seaweed type of feel. When in doubt, add more water and more conditioner until you achieve that slippery feeling. Once your curls are moisturized and detangled, you can finish with a light rinse of water, but do not rinse out the conditioner completely. Keep some conditioner in the hair to add extra moisture and shine. Kozma Curl Cream Conditioner is a rinse-out product, but was also specially formulated to be safe to leave in, so you have a dual-purpose product here. Do not squeeze out any water from the hair. You'll need your hair drenched in water for the next step. Choosing the right styling product is going to be very important to the quality of your results. There are many styling products out there in the market, some that perform much better than others. Some are curl friendly and some are not. Select one based on performance, giving a good consistent result, contains high quality natural active ingredients, is curl safe, and smells yummy. For this video, we selected our best-selling product, Kozma Curl Defining Gel. This little champion delivers fantastic results on all curl types. It contains a natural blend of curl-friendly ingredients such as coconut oil, aloe leaf, and soy protein, which offers protection against humidity and frizz while providing superior shine and a flexible hold. One important thing to note about whatever styling product you choose for your curls, make sure it's silicone-free. Kozma Curl Defining Gel was made with a very innovative silicone-free formulation and was rebalanced with sustainable alternative ingredients and bio-based emollients. Our gel is also water-soluble, meaning it can easily be removed and rinsed from the hair, not causing a buildup. Most silicones are not water-soluble, meaning they build up over time on the hair and cannot be easily removed by shampoo or even deep cleansers. Products that contain silicones may feel great in your hair at first, but as they start to layer onto the hair shaft over time, they prevent moisture and nutrients from getting deep inside. Curls desperately need moisture and nutrients, and silicones will start to act as a barrier, preventing what curls need from entering the hair. Using products with silicones can mean dry, brittle, dull, and frizzy hair. That's why we recommend you select a styler or a gel that contains no silicones. One important thing to note about the Kozma Curl Defining Gel: our gel forms a protective cocoon, otherwise known as a cast, around the surface of each curl. When this protective cocoon starts to set, it should harden. Don't be alarmed, you actually want this. That means the gel is doing its job. You want it to feel crunchy and hard. In fact, this is an extremely important step. Without it, curls can become frizzy and undefined. Don't worry, this feeling is only temporary and it serves the purpose of creating definition and hold while the curls dry. Later on, once the hair is completely dry, you will need to scrunch out the crunch to finish your look. Once you scrunch out the crunch, you release the curl from the cocoon, and what you're left with is a soft, touchable, flexible hold. No crunchiness, no crispiness, guaranteed. Now that you know what to look for in a styling product and what to avoid, Let's move on to how to apply it. Top tip: our pros use a little wooden bowl so they don't have to keep picking up the gel bottle and squeezing. This will allow you to dip quickly and easily as you repeat each section. Starting from the nape of the neck, we begin to section the rest of the curls out of the way. You can choose to increase or decrease the size of the section depending on the density of the hair. Step 1. Ensure the section is smooth, tangle-free, and prepped for the product. You may need to start with a soft stroke of a wide tooth comb or with your fingers. Step 2. Prepare the section with a generous spray of water. The wetter the hair when applying products, the better, as this will help them absorb into the hair shaft. Step 3. With your selected styling product, start by glazing the mid-lengths to ends and then work the rest of the product up to the root area. Pay careful attention with product application to the roots. We never want to abandon the root area completely, because doing so would result in frizzy and undefined root area. But we also want to avoid a heavy saturation of product at the roots, as this could make the roots weighed down and greasy looking. You'll know you have enough product and water in your hair when you hear a squish sound. At this point in the routine, you should begin to feel a slimy seaweed texture. This is also commonly known as the slip. This tells us that the cuticle has been successfully closed and you are ready to move on to your next section. Repeat upwards of the head, working through each section in the same way. It is not uncommon for some areas of the hair to be more porous. You'll know them as they might feel a little bit rough. If you encounter these areas, apply more water as they are extra thirsty. To encourage the natural curl pattern to form, carefully squeeze the section of curls upwards and release down in a controlled way to avoid any friction or frizz. As you work towards the top of the head, start to think about your parting. Which direction would you like your curls to fall, and work within this parting. Once all sections are completed, you can coat your palm in a thin layer of your product and glaze over the hair. With the product still on your hands, gently squeeze the curl pattern from the ends in a controlled upward motion and gently lower the curls back down. You should see a lot of water releasing from the hair at this point. Continue around the head until there are no more drips. This motion should then be repeated with the Kozma Curl microfiber towel, which will help absorb any extra water and product and help speed up drying time, again in a careful, controlled manner. You should now begin to see the springs of the curls form. Top tip: for an elongated, finished result, do not squeeze the hair upwards or remove any water from the hair before drying. You have an option to apply root clips for lift and volume. To learn in depth how to apply the Kozma Curl clips, please see our separate tutorial. This can be found on our online shop on the Volume Clips page. At this point, it's extremely important you do not touch your curls until they are completely dry. The Kozma Curl gel will form a protective cocoon while drying. The cocoon might feel stiff or even a little crunchy, which is good, because it has created a mold for your definition. Later on, you will scrunch out the crunch, releasing the beautiful curl from the cocoon, and what you will be left with is a flexible, soft, and defined curl. I know it's hard, but resist the temptation to touch or scrunch until the hair is completely dry. Touching beforehand will disrupt the cocoon, weaken, or remove the definition and cause frizz. You can simply air dry your curls, or you can speed things up with a diffuser. Air drying will give you maximum definition, but it will be a bit flatter. Diffusing will give you maximum volume. Try both ways a couple of times so you know which one you like better. Today we will be using the Kozma Curl Diffuser. The diffuser helps to soften and control the airflow, so we are not blasting the curls with air. You will begin on a medium heat, medium power. Start by hovering the dryer around the curls without touching or disturbing. When you begin to feel the cocoon form on the hair will begin to go hard. This is an important part of the process. The cocoon is protecting the curls from frizz as they dry, so the results will have definition and shine. Once the curls are nearly dry, I'd say like 80%, it's time to connect the diffuser with the curls. Using a variety of motions, you will begin to softly break the cocoon and create volume. Be sure to get inside the roots and underneath sections. The curls should start to take on a soft, light feeling with lots of movability and spring. Depending on your preference, you can create lots of volume by increasing the power of the dryer from medium to maximum and targeting the root areas in a circular motion. We do not advise this for tight or fragile curl types such as super curly and super tight. Too much airflow can disturb the cuticle and create unwanted frizz. If needed, you may want to flip your head forward and target the underneath sections of the hair with the diffuser. This is also a great tip to achieve added volume. Make sure to scrunch out the crunch to ensure no cocoon is left in the hair. And there you have it, beautifully hydrated and styled curls. Whether your goal was definition, more moisture, or volume, or all of the above, now you know all the tricks of the trade. We really hope this video helped you and that you enjoy using the Kozma Curl styling method. Thank you for watching.